Well, President Trump is launching an initiative to get rapid tests to places like schools at a time when the debate over whether students should be in the classroom shows no sign of letting up. Fox News correspondent Jonathan Seri has more from Atlanta.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It was show and tell in the White House Rose Garden with Admiral Brett Giroir demonstrating how the new coronavirus tests going out beginning this week will reduce result wait times that once took days.
You wait 15 minutes, and that is the test. It really could not be easier than this.
NBC News reports it overheard CDC Director Robert Redfield on a commercial plane phone a colleague to express concern that new coronavirus task force member Dr. Scott Atlas was giving the president misleading information on a range of issues. The CDC says NBC heard only one side of the private conversation, but acknowledged in a written statement positions on 3 issues: the value of wearing a mask, youth COVID-19 infections, and where we are currently with herd immunity are the positions that Dr. Redfield has different positions on than Dr. Atlas. The doctors agree on many other issues. Dr. Atlas fired back at criticism, telling Fox News, "The way I advise the president is perfectly consistent with the most appropriate strategy for dealing with this pandemic." With the U.S. reporting more than 40,000 new cases per day, the nation is far from Dr. Anthony Fauci's goal of reducing the figure to 10,000 before cold weather drives more people indoors.
We're not in a good place with regard to what I had said back then, because as we get into the fall and the winter, you really want the level of community spread to be as low as you possibly get it.
After 2 delays, New York City schools plan to resume in-person classes this week. Florida's education commissioner has ordered Miami-Dade County Public Schools to reopen by October 5th, overruling the local school board's plans to postpone in-person learning until the 21st. Atlanta Falcons cornerback A.J. Terrell was placed on the reserve COVID-19 list after reportedly testing positive. He is the first NFL player to miss a game this season because of the coronavirus. In Atlanta, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.